Hello, my friends, and welcome to our yoga practice today. I'm very happy that you're joining me here. It's always nice to see your smiling face. We're going to be doing an easy 10 to 15 minute practice today, beginner level. I love to make sure that yoga is accessible for everybody who wishes to practice it. No handstands today, nothing too complicated. We're just going to breathe and move and take some time to feel good in our bodies, right? That's what life is all about. So, if you would like to, I would encourage you to do what I'm doing today on this beautiful day where the sun is shining, and make your way outside. Maybe try to find a tree that you can set up under with some clear space. Maybe go barefoot so you can get your feet in the dirt, ground a little bit. It always does the body good. So I'll give you a few moments to get yourself settled. And wherever you end up, wherever you set your mat up, I invite you to join me in a comfortable seated position, your version of lotus pose. Legs crossed underneath you, connecting you to the earth. Your root chakra grounding down through your mat into the earth itself. Your back and spine straight, taking you up into the sky, the beautiful blue sky. And taking a moment to just feel your body, feel your posture, feel your legs on the mat, your back straight. Go ahead and close your eyes, bring your hands to your knees, and let's just breathe together for a few moments here, deeply in through the nose and out through the mouth. Good. Nice, easy breaths. Following the breath as it leads us to being present in the moment. Good. Now that we are centered and present with each other, let's inhale and open our eyes. Sweep our arms out to the side and up, hands coming to meet over the head, and then exhaling the palms down to the chest. Very good. Inhaling the hands up. Exhaling them down. Beautiful. One more time. Inhaling the hands up. And on this exhale, let's take our left hand down at our side and arc the right up over our head like so. Bringing a nice long stretch in the side body from the hip up into the armpit. Good. Inhale back into center. Arms spread wide and exhale. The right arm down to the right side. The left arm arcs up over the head. Good. Good, good, good. It's so common to store stress and anxiety, tension, lots of negative stuff in the back. And I love these stretches because it allows us to open up the back, let that stress come out, and replace it with some positive energy that we're breathing in. And so on the inhale, come back into center, arms spread wide. And on the exhale, bring the palms together out in front of the body. interlace the fingers and flip your palms out away from the body, stretching the forearms. Good. Maybe a little bit in the shoulders. And then on the next inhale, take the palms up to the sky. Hold it there for 3, 2, 1. And on the exhale, the right hand is going to come down to the left knee. The left hand is going to go behind us, and we'll twist to look to the side. Or if you're feeling frisky, you can look behind you. Make sure nobody's spying on you. Good. Releasing into center. Inhale, the hands up. And this time exhale the left hand down to the right knee, and we'll twist to the other side. Good. Release back into center. And we'll move this stretch into our legs now. Extend both legs forward and flat on the ground. Inhale the hands up, and exhale, reach down for your toes. And you can watch while I pick cactus out of my feet, because that's what happens when you walk barefoot in the desert. Good. Inhale the hands up. Bring the palms together and exhale them down to your chest. Good. Now bring the feet in towards the body so that the soles can join right in front of your body. Keeping in mind that the closer the heels are to your body, the more intense this butterfly stretch is going to be. So let's inhale and open the chest. And on the exhale, you can fold forward and down however it works for you. Just because I'm doing a pose a certain way does not mean that you have to do the pose that way. Every body is different, and therefore every pose is different. Inhale, come up. Take the left foot out to the side. Bring the right foot into the body and reach down for the foot. You can grab the big toe if you like. You can grab the side of the foot. If you can't reach, you can just let your palm rest on your shin here. Whatever is working for you today. I've taught like 4 hours of yoga today, so I'm feeling extra flexible. Inhale the hands up. Exhale the hands down again. Try to sink a little bit deeper, all right? Inhale, reach up with the hands. Come into center and exhale the hands down to the chest. And then let's switch sides. Right foot extended, left foot into the body. Inhale the hands up. Exhale, reach down for the foot. Inhale, reach up with the hands. Exhale, reach down for the foot. You may be picking up a little bit of the wind here on my microphone. I apologize if it's distracting, but it's real and it's what's actually happening. So I'm going to leave it in, and that way you know that I'm trying to be as authentic as possible. Inhale the hands up, come into center. Exhale the hands down to the chest. Cross the legs back into lotus pose. And now that we have stretched our legs, our back, our upper body, our lower body, we'll finish by reconnecting with our breath, closing our eyes, returning to the inhale, and the exhale. Just breathe. Feel how the breath makes the body feel. And I invite you to realize that the breath, in yoga we call it prana. The breath is everything. It's the universal energy. The Taoists call it the Tao. Traditional Chinese medicine calls it the Qi. Whatever you call it, it's the same thing. It's that energy that animates us and the world around. And the more you breathe, the more you become connected and intertwined with that, the more you become at oneness with it. And so as we finish our yoga and meditation today, I invite you, going forward, to always return to the breath, for it will lead you to a place of peace and harmony. And let's take in one more inhale together as we raise the hands, bringing the palms together over the head and exhaling them down to the chest. Blinking your eyes open if they are closed. Namaste, my friends. It was a pleasure to have you with me here, breathing, moving, meditating. Yoga is so much more than the stereotype that holds in Western and American culture. Yoga is a philosophy, it's a way of life, and I hope that you will continue to join me as I travel that journey for myself, and I hope that as we go, you will be my fellow traveler along that path. But until next time, I wish you a pleasant day and peace and love. Bye.